up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's still Mom's Kitchen with the boys. We still have the boys here, and today we're doing another speed eating challenge. I mean, I can't complain. I get to eat, he gets to eat, and you know, we have you also, guys. So I'm very much excited. We have plantain and with nice looking fish. So by the time this video is out, the other video of how to make this is out. So go check that out also. And yeah. Let's get right.
If you want to know how to prepare this, the video is out.
Yeah.
Just so you can go check that out and then yeah.
Today
I'm going to brutalize him again. I won him the last time and I win him again. Champions never lose. That's how we are called champions. Let's go. I just pray I don't have hiccup.
Every week I'm looking for an excuse. Alright.
One. You never said time on.
No, just
say 3, 2, go then.
3, 2,
Oh, Jesus.
1, go!
Jeff, easy.
The plantain is hard.
Jeff, pause. Calm down.
Listen, no, it's not true. I'm gonna check yourself.
Cannot mark you.
Boom.
I'm just watching. Boom. It's beautiful.
Go on.
I mean, well done.
Jeff, I finished one.
I'm proud of you. Let me finish one.
When will you win?
Very soon. Makes sense.
Sure, it makes sense, Abi. Eat and win. Eat and win. Not just eat and make sense.
I win soon. I don't want to choke.
Loser mindset. You say soon instead of today. I'm winning today.
We should not kill you.
You have to enjoy yourself in life. Even if you take you lose with happiness. If you choke now, I mean, I'll keep eating. And I'll win.
You are steady.
You know,
That's fairy tale.
If I hear.
you once dive in. I have to remember one for you.
Today don't kill me. I can't laugh again.
Come, you're going to make me lose.
I don't call you. It's not you. Next time I won't be watching you people eating. Jeff is entering fish, oh. He's entering fish, oh. And he's not even drinking water, self. How are you doing it?
The shit tomorrow now will be massive.
Look at his mouth.
But people will enter that toilet tomorrow. After he
Jim, will you
enters,
stop that nonsense you are eating?
his strategy.
Any strategy?
Hopeless.
Strategize how you finish that food and become winner. He's already winning again.
I'm the winner as the first one. I'm giving myself the win. In his mind, he thinks he wins.
Yeah, boy.
I'm very happy. Once you eat well, so I'm not bothered.
See, if we do it like 5 times and you never win, we will stop using you.
No.
Loser mindset.
I will win.
Want to win.
He has finished already.
Winner! Gang, 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 gang. Winner of today match is Jeff.
What's up, loser? How you doing? You want to ask one question? How does it feel to lose? That's what I'm going to do. To my fans, I don't lose. Don't mind it, let them keep believing in one. And do you know the most amazing thing? I didn't drink nothing. No water. Clear the toilet. Because the patient is not a joke. Oh. Let me do it. Where's the one? Victory. Victory. It's okay. Victory.
He's enjoying
Guys.
the sauce.
This right here was magical, along with my superb and incredible powers. Loser gets to end the show. I did not lose. Yes, you lost. Anyways, if you like that video, make sure you smash the like button. It's free to do so. Subscribe is also free. It won't cost you anything. And turn on post notification for when we upload next. This time, what's the rest of it? 2-0 from me to him. I won twice. Anyways, you've heard all of that. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you. Share the video. We'll see you next week. Wait, hold on. Bye. Come on.